Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to get better results depending on your goal, knowing how to switch between modes in Perplexity AI is essential. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to switch between focus modes in Perplexity AI and use each one effectively. Okay, so first thing first, open Perplexity AI. Okay, go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile application because it does exist in the iOS and Android. Start a new search, okay, and be ready to begin. Okay, so locate the focus option, so look near the search bar. Okay, here you will see focus or a mode selector. Tap or click it. This is where you switch modes. Okay, so we have here models, we have here the option of computer. So if you want to upgrade your accounts, it will give you more options. Okay, so view available modes. Common modes include all, which is defaults, web, academic, writing, social, video. Okay, so each mode has a purpose. Choose wisely. Select a mode, for example, click or tap the mode you want. For example, choose web for real-time info, choose writing for content creation. The mode activates instantly. Okay, so no restart needed. Ask your question, so tap your query, press enter. The answer will follow the selected mode. Mode affects results. Okay, now you switch modes after getting an answer. So are you not satisfied? Change mode, ask again, or refine your question. Compare results easily. Okay, so you can also use the right mode for each task. So quick guide, for example, web is for latest info, academic for research, writing for content creation, social for opinions, and videos for tutorials. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.